Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, what to check if your snowblower just won't start. If your snowblower won't start, there are a few things you can check yourself to make sure everything is working properly. Number one, make sure there's enough fuel in the unit. Even if you just see a little bit down there, it might make sense to add new, fresh gasoline to the tank. Now, if you're pulling and it still won't start, one other thing to check is the spark plug wire. Sometimes it can jostle loose. You want to make sure that it's pressed firmly on top of the spark plug. It may mean that you have to take the housing apart to get at it, but make sure you have a good solid connection. If it still doesn't start, there are products that you can add to the fuel system, almost like a drain cleaner for something that wasn't treated perhaps when the unit was set away. And this may help to assist in getting that engine started before you have to seek professional help. Some snow throwers have a safety key like this that has to be in place for the unit to start. If you notice that this key is missing or not there, find it, stick it in, and the unit should start. Many snow throwers offer a primer like this, and you'll see instructions on there where once you have the unit ready to go, the safety key is involved, you want to pump this 3 to 5 times to get fuel into the system. On this unit, there's also a choke lever that you want to, on cold starts, bring all the way over to pull to bring more fuel into the system. Once the unit starts, place it in the middle position for a couple minutes and then all the way off to run normally. Coming up next, why you should be using fuel stabilizer in your snow thrower.